Welcome back to yet another unboxing. My friends, today we are checking out the mini true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These are featuring Bluetooth 5.0. It's got a built-in microphone, portable charging box with long playing time. This is for Android or iOS devices. This is by Techbuds. Picked this up from Amazon for about $46. I will leave a link in the description below. Okay, so first off, here we have that. Two little earbuds and the charging case, I assume. So, wow, that is small. So, nice packaging, first off. Let's check out the little charging case. Okay, so there it is. It has a nice little spot for the earbuds to go in there, and it is quite small and compact. It has a little button on the back, as well as, see if I can get an angle where you guys can see that. There we go. Get the light just right, and there's the charging port and the little power button there as well. Okay, it has this actually feels like it's got a magnet in there to hold it closed as well, so appears to be well constructed. Nice little plastic box there. Okay, moving on, we have, oh my goodness, those are small. The earbuds themselves, these are quite tiny, probably basically just disappear in your ear. I'm going to give them a white background there so you guys can see them okay, but quite small. Let's see what's on these little guys. Okay, they just have one little button on there, and it appears that they are both identical, but very small. Probably the smallest earbuds I've seen. They do boast a microphone, so that's going to be kind of interesting to check out. So that is that. Let's put those little guys back there. All right, what else we got in the box here? In the bottom, we have a USB charging cord, of course. And then what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on a second. 1, 2. Okay, so it has 4 little different ear pieces there. So apparently you have to put a cover on these. So I don't know if you can just stick it in your ear like this, or maybe you have to put the ear cover on. Either way, we're going to find out when I do a product review / demonstration. This is just the unboxing. But obviously these parts, you know what, let's open the bag. It has 4 of these, so different sizes here for different ears, which is nice to accommodate. And this bag is giving me some trouble. Quite a small bag here, actually. Okay. Alright, so these, okay, they fit right on over the end there, and probably for noise, probably has some noise or decreasing ability also, so you fit that in your ear and helps go in there. Alright, so how long is this cord? I was doing a video earlier and it had a really short cord, which I kind of like. I don't really like the super long cords unless you need it. So this is about 10 inches long and not bad at all. Some of them are like super long and like, come on, you're just plugging it into a little USB thing. So I don't know, I guess to each their own, but I like the shorter ones. Here we go. True wireless headset operation guide. And it shows you how to wear it, how to put it in the charging box and stuff like that. This will be addressed when we do the product review. So let's just see if these little guys go into the box here. I'm gonna have to charge this thing up here before I use. Oh, right on. So these are also magnetic, it appears. I mean, that's just not the weight of thing. So a magnet kind of sucks these into place in there. Just like that, you can hear it. And I wonder if we can charge it right now or not. I don't see any lights or anything. I probably have to go plug this in and get this charged so I can do my review. Anyways, that is the unboxing on this little product. These are by Techbuds, and they seem to be pretty cool little earbuds here. So thanks for watching this review, everyone. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.